Hey y'all, it's your friend Dee, and my plan for this video was to take you guys along to several stores so we could see the new holiday releases. But y'all, when I got into these stores, I got sticker shock. These prices are ridiculous. Everything's going up in price. Dolls, craft supplies, even those small ornaments that you find at Walmart that can double as miniatures in your diorama, those have increased in price. It's like the Grinch did not steal Christmas, he just raised the prices on everything. So after shopping at several stores, the only thing I bought myself was a maple donut because I needed to soothe my pain. And I decided that in this video, we're going to talk about how these raising prices are changing doll collecting and miniature crafting, and how we can still enjoy the hobby without breaking the budget. And I'll also be opening these Miniverse Make It Mini holiday surprise balls. These are the National Lampoon ones from last year. I got these when they went on sale, and I think I might have a few of the Series 1 surprise balls. So why is everything so expensive? Well, materials, shipping, and even packaging costs have gone up, and the toy industry is definitely feeling it. Manufacturers know collectors tend to go all in for the holidays, so you start seeing signs like new arrivals, holiday exclusive. And honestly, it's smart business, but it can be hard on our wallets. Meanwhile, older stock starts going on clearance, so you got this collector temptation, new dolls dropping every week, and last year's dolls going half off. It can become a dangerous game of, do I splurge or do I wait? Oh, these prices have to be a joke. What are you talking about? Roger, last year this was $29.99, and now it's $39.99. Inflation. I told you, money's not what it used to be. Well, maybe they should start accepting compliments, because I can tell them this doll looks fabulous, but I can't pay $40 for her. Just tell the cashier you're paying with mini brand money. You know what, Roger? If that worked, I'd own the whole store. So let's talk about some solutions that can help us be a little bit smarter when it comes to adding to our collections for the holidays. Number one, set a spending limit. Know your limit before you shop. Write it down, tattoo it on your brain, do whatever you need to do to remember your limit, because once you get in the doll aisle, all logic goes out the window. The second thing is to make a wish list and rank it in order from most wanted for your collection to least wanted in your collection, and add the pricing that you would want to pay. That way, when things go on sale, you will know what's actually worth grabbing. The third thing is thrift and trade. Sometimes you can find some amazing deals at places like thrift stores, online markets, and doll groups, and you never know when a discontinued piece is going to pop up. The fourth thing is my favorite: wait for after holiday sales. January is like Christmas part 2, y'all. That's when stores are trying to clear the shelves and they're slashing the prices. And that's when I swoop in like a clearance ninja. For example, last year I wasn't going to purchase the holiday Barbie, and I made my own version of it in a video, but at an after Christmas sale, I found the doll for only $8. Clearance sale. What? 90% off? Roger, grab the car keys. And number 5 is, don't buy any new craft materials unless you just absolutely have to. Because I know sometimes we might need more glue and more paint. But whenever possible, reuse materials, repurpose packaging. Because sometimes we don't need fancy, we just need to be creative. Now let's open up some of these surprise balls. And I haven't seen the newer ones in stores for this year, for 2025, but I think they're going to be a Grinch theme. But this one is the National Lampoon theme from last year. We got the 2 pieces for the stand. The bottom is gold, and the top is a plaid. It's green, red, and white, and the back is white. And they'll snap together like that, but I think I'm just going to sit it on my island for now. We got a box of assorted crackers, so I think this might be the charcuterie board. And you do get actual crackers inside. You get 4 of each cracker. This one looks like a little butter cracker, And this one looks like a little piece of toast. I can't remember the name of this type of cracker, but they both look pretty realistic and they're finished on both sides. In this bag we have our resin. It is disguised as a jar of honey. And this is our charcuterie board. So we get this brown Christmas tree shaped charcuterie board, and you can see it does look like it has a wood grain to it. And there is a slight texture to it. It's not really rough, but you can definitely feel the texture. And it looks the same on the back. So this would make a really nice piece of decor on its own. And this package is our deli meat. It looks like we have a couple of thin slices in here. This looks really good, but I'm not going to open it unless I get a duplicate in this video, because I do plan to make a grocery store later, and I think this would look nice in the meat section. In this package we have two containers, one with fruits and one with cheeses. In the fruit container we have strawberries in one section and apples and blueberries in the other one. In the cheese container, it looks like one section is a cheese round wrapped in foil, and the other section has cheese slices that are two different colors. So we have a cheese slice that is pale yellow and one that is orange. And let's open our cheese round, see what it looks like. Our cheese round is white and it looks like a slice is already cut for us. Let's see if we can take it out. Yeah, we can. And it's kind of a pale yellow inside. And I'm thinking these are our utensils. So we get this part. I think it's supposed to be mistletoe with some holly berries, and it snaps into the top of your surprise ball. This way you can make it into an ornament and just put a string through this hole and hang it on your tree. We also got several utensils. We got some gold tongs, a silver knife. We got a honey dipper for our jar of honey. Next, let's open this one. It's a series 1, and I really want these hot chocolate mugs right here. I think the one time I did open one of these, I got the turkey. We got our stand. This time we have a white top and a gold bottom, and they snap together like that. And I'm gonna set this aside. Let's start with this bag. Well, I think I got another turkey because this resin says glaze. And in this bag we got the bag of assorted carrots. And last time I got this, I did open the carrots. So this time I'm gonna keep it in the packaging. In this pink bag, I believe is our turkey. Here's our turkey, and it's all wrapped up, ready to be sold from the grocery store, or maybe the dolls just picked it up from the grocery store and we're going to store it away in the freezer until Thanksgiving. And since I have 2 of these now, I'm definitely going to use one and stage it as a Thanksgiving dinner. And in this bag we have a platter for the turkey. It's white and it has a silver design in the middle. I'm not sure if those are supposed to be snowflakes or just starburst. And our utensils should be in here. We have some gold tongs, a red basting brush, and the bristles are actually flexible. And we get 2 of these covers for the ends of the turkey legs. Let's take a moment to talk about the emotional side of collecting and crafting. Something that doesn't get talked about enough is how collecting and crafting makes us feel. When prices go up, it's easy to feel discouraged, like we're falling behind or missing out. But remember, your collection does not have to be big to be special. Even one new doll or one new DIY can bring a ton of joy to you. And honestly, sometimes scaling back forces us to be more creative. I've made some of my best pieces while being on a tight budget, because I had to make what I had work. Even with me getting these Miniverse surprise balls well after they were the new popular thing, it makes me happy. I didn't open all of them when I got them because I knew at some point I was going to need some surprise ball therapy, so I'm glad I kept a few to open with you guys now. I can glue this piece here and this one here. What's the deal with all the cardboard? I'm making one of those fancy gingerbread houses that you see in all of the stores. Why don't you just go and buy one? Why would I do that when I have a glue gun? Let's open another ball. This one does have a tree on it, so I'm not sure if that means anything. The other one did have the turkey on the side. So let's see what this one's gonna be. We got a bag of flocking powder, so I think we got the tree. And that powder definitely feels very fine, so I will not open this up. We got a box with a tree topper. It looks like a star. I like the little box. So here's the tree topper out of the box. You can see it's just a gold star. Pretty nice. And it has an opening at the bottom so you can sit it on top of the tree. And then this wrapping we have, and I think I'm going to use all of this wrapping to wrap my doll gifts. We have a container of mini ornaments. It says Mini Merry Decor, 12 pieces. You can remove the top and take out the ornaments. Each ornament comes with a silver hook attached, and it looks like we have 4 different colors we're working with. So there's pink, blue, and gold ornaments, and some of them have white stripes or white polka dots on them. This wrapping is so cute. I love this. So we're gonna undo the twine and let's see what's inside of this wrapping. So this looks like the top of the tree, so we need to find the bottom. I'm gonna guess this package is the bottom portion. So let's unwrap this. So we have the bottom portion, and it looks like we have to fluff these trees up. And the smaller one goes in this hole at the top. That's our tree, and now we need a stand. Next we have, oh, is this the stand? Yes. So we have a little red stand. So we insert the bottom of the tree in the stand, like that. I think these would make very cute tabletop trees, but I'm also wondering if you get multiple of these, can you stack them on top of each other? Like take this part off, stack another bottom piece here, and then this one to make it taller, and then just trim it to kind of make it look like it's meant to be that way. That's something to think about. This bag looks like it might have utensils, but I'm not sure what utensils we would need. We got our little berries to turn the surprise ball into an ornament, some gold tongs, and we got a little brush. I'm guessing this is to help brush on the flocking or maybe the resin. And it's like a little painter's brush. And this bag must be our resin. And our resin is disguised as Makey Make Flock Adhesive. I still want to find those hot chocolate mugs, but now I want another tree so I can try to stack them. And I do have another ball, and it has the trees on the side, so let's see if we can make this happen. You see the white paper with the trees? I think we got another one. Let's open this one up and see what it is. Yay, we got another tree. So I'm gonna take the top part off, and the new one that we just got, please let it fit, please let it, no, it doesn't fit. Hold on, I'm gonna try something. So I took my needle nose pliers, use whatever pliers you have, and I took this brown part off. I was able to kind of just tear it off. I'm not gonna do that on this one. So I have that brown end pulled off, and I was trying to slide all of these leaves up to expose the center of this, and it wasn't working for me, but I can pull this bottom row of leaves off. And now we see this brown stick in the middle, and you can stick it on the bottom like that, but I still want to use these leaves. But with these on, I don't have enough room to do that. So So I'm going to trim the bottom of this green section off. And we have a taller tree. If you follow the directions in the surprise ball, you will get a tree that is about 4 inches tall. But with this, I was able to get a tree that is from the base almost 6 inches tall. So I think that's pretty good. Now we're left with the topper from the second tree, and of course we could try to figure out how to add it to the tree as well, but I think I'm going to leave mine as is and use it in another arrangement in the future. Here's the thing, prices will probably keep changing, but our creativity, y'all, that's free. So whether you're thrift shopping, crafting with scraps, adding that one special doll, or like me, you're waiting for those clearance sales, y'all don't lose your joy this holiday season. Let's make this holiday season about creativity, community, and celebrating the little things. Like literally, the little things. And so we can continue helping each other, comment below what your best holiday budget tips are. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. And remember, stay creative, stay kind, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.